Hello, I am Shirley Pavaraki. I am 28 years old. I am from Barranquilla, but now I live in Valledupar, Cesar. I am studying a degree in English as foreign language university at University UNAT. I am primary English teacher. So, my selfie album is about house cleaning. Well, English B, and I good creative imperfectionist and home or what? Let's go. Um, this picture is about laundries. Am I good laundries or what? Yes, I am. The next picture is about organize. Am I the best at organizing clothes? What do you say? The picture is organized. Am I good organizing the bed or what? The picture is about paint. Am I good at painting the house or what? Am I good at cleaning the whole house or not? Yes, I am. The picture is good. Am I the best cook or what? Yes, I am. Thanks for your opinion. Bye bye.